This morning, I woke up to a massive thunderstorm, walked outside, and saw my entire grandma's yard had been flooded already. I knew after checking the radar and seeing more rain on the way that this was going to be a pretty crazy day. So we had to jump in the truck and get started helping my sisters get to where they needed to go.
This morning, and there was an incredible storm in South Louisiana, which is super common here, but the problem is it floods bad. We're under sea level here. So every time that it rains, like look at this, there is a couch. How did that even get there? What? That is a whole couch set. Okay, point being, there's cars and trucks usually everywhere. Let's go ahead and get out there and see what we can find. I have a feeling there's gonna be a lot of people stuck this morning. Even just being inside of the truck, you can already immediately tell how much rain there is. Look out there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Yeah, like this whole road, it's so hard to tell on camera. This whole road is just flooded right now. Like probably a foot of water. Look at this. That is so deep, even for this truck. That is crazy. Look at this. Shouldn't have flooded out this F-150, dude. Dang, oh my gosh. That is so insane. It's so tall. You could literally take a boat in the road right now. Like legit. Look at that, Brittany. Go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, see, now imagine a car being in this. That's what's so crazy. And it just does this here all the time. Dude. Damn. Oh, I'm hitting the curb. Okay, back to some shallow. I can see the ground again over here. Dang, it's so dark. Like literally the entire road, the whole road is just water right now. There is no, I don't even know, no land in sight. We are getting deep. Whoa. This is definitely the deepest water this truck has ever seen before. Oh my gosh, Brittany. You know the water is almost up to the bottom of the truck right now? This is crazy. Switching to the GoPro so I don't lose my iPhone. My mom and my little sister are right there. We're literally having to... Oh, this is insane. The fog lights are underwater. Hang on, just because I gotta get a shot of this, I'm getting everything wet, but that's okay. I've got to show you guys. Watch this. Look, the floorboards, dude. I'm in the... Oh, holy shit, the mulch is just gone from this place. Oh my goodness, dude. Whoa. Climb aboard! Rescue service!
Okay.
How is that?
Bye, thank you.
Raining pretty bad, huh?
Dude, that was so scary.
I bet. I'm glad you made it through it with that thing.
No, it was, look at everybody. Look, everybody's, I've seen 3 people pull up there, pull out a little bit, and then reverse and go home.
Really?
Yes.
What? This is crazy. So where do I need to deliver you?
Braylon.
Braylon's house, and then I take Braylon from here to the hospital.
Yes.
Look at how deep.
Dude, I almost did not make it down Sampson.
I bet.
If I could have turned into a business, I would have. But I was like, if I even slow down enough to turn into a business,
You're gonna flood it.
yes, I just felt like I was gonna stall.
Whoa.
So I just had to keep going. Turned down this road and was like, maybe it'll be better on this one. No.
Yeah, just way worse out here.
So I just pulled in the fat boys.
Love it. Yeah, this truck is tall, and we were up to the fog lights of this truck, so we're gonna get everybody where they need to go.
School bus.
Yeah. Look, this is a full-size Silverado. Are we seeing?
No.
That is a lifted Silverado. That is a lifted Silverado. Holy shit. Damn. That's a lifted truck. That was a four-wheel drive lifted Silverado.
Look at this truck that almost stalled behind
No
me.
way.
I had to get a picture of it. It was so crazy.
Oh my gosh, sir. You need to turn around. I'm telling you, that's not going to go well for that.
Okay.
Oh man. Like, this is just incredible rain. Oh, it's slowing the whole truck down. This is on my grandma's road, mind you. How bad it is right here on the road. Like, how is this even possible right now? Has it been this bad over here before?
Yeah, but it actually gets like this kind of every time it rains this bad.
Wow. I don't even know where to pull. I guess just behind her car right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I just pulled a whole wake of water into their yard right here. Okay, well, tell her we'll be waiting here.
Bye, I love y'all.
Bye, I love you.
Oh my God.
No.
Right here, I can't even get out right here.
Okay, let me flip around, hang on. There's so much water right here that we can't even get out.
I can pull up right there.
Yeah, I think I will.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I was so scared.
I know. She's watching my other sister's baby at the moment today, and I got to take my little sister, who just graduated college, all the way to the hospital to her new job. So we're gonna have to see if we can make it all the way to Lake Charles. We just went 5 minutes down the road and there were people stopped everywhere, so I think we're gonna be in for a treat. Wow. The whole truck was Brittany, look at this. The whole truck was like, and this is a tall truck.
I need some rain boots. Look at me. Look what I'm in.
Oh, these are rain boots. Your Cinderella slippers. Well, before we get into this video, guys, this video is sponsored by Brunt Workwear. Last video, you guys saw they sent us these work boots. I gave a pair to my uncle, and we have been loving them. Not only did they send me a pair, but they also sent you a pair. They are genuine leather. They have a composite, really tough toe up here. And today, with all the flooding and everything, these things kept my feet dry and super comfortable all morning long. There's a super cushioned heel back here. It honestly feels amazing. Non-slip soles at the bottom, and they are extremely nice looking too. If you guys want to check these out, make sure you click the link down below, or just go check out Brunt Workwear. Huge shout out. Thanks again for sending these over. But now, let's get back out in the water and test these things out a little bit more. Hello.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, ready to go for a ride? Zach tell you how flooded it was?
Huh?
Did Zach tell you how flooded it
Yeah,
was?
he was like, I mean, I don't even know if you should go. I was like, I have to go.
Yeah, it is so bad. These little vehicles, I don't know how they are brave enough to take them through this stuff. Y'all,
Guess they got no choice.
yeah, he said, I'm making it to work. I don't know about y'all. Yeah, what are you? He said reverse.
Oh no.
Oh, God.
Sorry, we just sent you a wave up there. My bad, player. Yeah, I don't know what you thought with that little thing.
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna call in.
Yeah, his floorboards are probably soaking wet right now. It's up to his doors. Ooh-wee. Right up to the bottom of the truck. We got the exhaust probably partially underwater right now. That's pretty crazy. Look, that's another dually.
What the? It's deep right there. They got waves.
I know, it's the ocean. Should we go down Samson, Bray? Or I don't know what the easiest way to get to Nelson really
If
from here.
everybody's not
I think
going.
we have to, but...
Let me try going down this road because yeah, it's probably flooded all down Samson. Worst case, we can go highway 90 back there. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I had no idea it flooded this bad here. Oh yeah, it's flooded into the front window, and not the window, the front door. Oh no, yeah, it's actually flooding. Oh, poor house. Oh yeah, we're almost over the floorboards now. Wow. We woke up and I looked outside and I came back inside and I told Brittany, I was like, we might have like 30 minutes until things are like really flooded. I think it's gonna be bad here in a second.
And I was so annoyed because I wanted to sleep in. I was like, you're just saying that. I'm gonna lay back down. And then I heard me and I was like, fuck, let me get up and see. And then I went out there, I was like, oh.
The whole back porch was under 2 inches of water. I was like, this room might flood. We need to pick up stuff off the ground. She was like, yeah, whatever. And then turned around and went to sleep. I was like, okay. You're gonna feel water on your toesies in a second.
Blowing bubbles.
I know, snoring bubbles. Well, it looks like it's open back to the left by Samson, so I'm gonna go that way. Jeez. They just blocked off the whole road. They said, trust me, I don't want to come down this way. Roadblock. And now, since it's so slippery on the road, we're gonna switch the truck over to our slippery mode, keep safe on the bridges. We're gonna get a complete stop because they will pull you over in Westlake if you don't. Learned that yesterday or 2 days ago.
You got pulled over?
We got pulled over twice in one day.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's like back to back 30 minutes. One cop was super nice and one was super mean. Oh, and there's a train up there.
Are you serious? It's probably not even moving.
Yeah, we're gonna go PPG then. Oh wait, this is a dead end down straight or dead end down there? Crap. I know, where is there a road down here? Okay.
Reverse.
What the? Oh, this is definitely the deepest water so far. It's over the floorboards. Holy crap. Now this is a 6-inch lifted dually, 4-wheel drive on 37s, and we still almost have water into the door. Like probably another inch we'd have water at our feet right now. So that is that says a lot about the rain here. That is some pretty heavy rainfall. This is a tall truck. We're just sending like an ocean wave into their yard. You heard that? What that was? Okay, now we're getting deeper than I think I'm almost comfortable with. Oh Lord. At the softball complex. Wow. It really is like almost an ocean out here right now. There's a fish. You wanna go fishing? We go fishing on Sampson Street. This Jeep just turned around and said, hell no. When the Jeep's turning around, it's bad. I usually can't wait to show you what all the Jeep can get through. Damn. Look, these little cars up here, I'm gonna give y'all a warning. Y'all don't need to come through this. Y'all might as well turn around, go back home. This truck said I can do it. If he can do it, I can do it. Good luck. You got it, sir. Special delivery. See you later. Bye. Well, we made it to her job at least. Got her dropped off, so I guess now we'll go see what else is going on. Well, I stopped, took a detour real quick. We got a whole waterfall out here, dude. Truck's looking good though. That thing looks so good. Oh my goodness. If y'all just missed the video, we just did a full build on this thing, but it is literally so flooded. Oh my gosh, I'm like, guess that's a good thing I wore the little boots, but dude, that is the fence. That is insanity. Got another truck coming. Let's get this thing out of the way. What's up, dude?
What's going on, dude? I've been following you forever.
No kidding. I appreciate that.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you so much. Shit.
What's going on?
Hey, nice to
How
meet
you
you.
doing? I'm today, man.
You been getting in the water and everything?
I've been running around, dude.
Yeah. It's been high today.
Yeah, super
I have to see you around more, hopefully.
Yeah, man, hopefully.
Yeah. Nice to meet you
You
again,
too, man.
man.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. Have a good afternoon, man.
Have a good one.
I didn't even notice the cotton pulled over. Okay. Well, I thought it was gonna be cool to sit there with the lights on for some pictures and a video. Almost got in trouble again, even sitting still. But at least the water has gone down tremendously. It is not flooded pretty much at all anymore. I mean, you gotta think how tall this truck is, dude. This is a massive truck, you know? And for the water to have been up to the fog light, that would have been about waist high water for me in the snap of a finger this morning from rain only from this morning. That is pretty insane to consider. That is a big truck to have that much water. That is wild, man. Truck looks good. It did its job. Might have almost got us in trouble again, but that's okay. At least we made it back safe. Got everybody delivered where they needed to go. Y'all made it. Thought I was gonna wake up this morning that it was gonna be carried away with the flood. Yeah, that is crazy. Look, that's the water line where it was, and now it's receded back all the way back there. Jeez, I'm gonna have to get a pressure washer and come clean all this up. That is pretty insane. If you missed the video of us just rebuilding the truck, make sure you click the link up above and go check it out. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And for now, I'll see you guys next video.